everyone. So great to have you back here at Talk Walk English, where picking up English is both straightforward and enjoyable.
Hi there. How's everything with you today?
Doing fantastic, Jimmy. Thanks for asking. How about yourself? You seem to be in a really good mood.
You know what? I really am. The weather's gorgeous, sunshine everywhere. What a perfect day.
Absolutely lovely out there. Plus, we've got something fresh lined up for everyone watching.
Oh, definitely. This one's really worth paying attention to.
For sure. But hey, before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for our channel.
Right, and toss us a thumbs up while you're at it. Really makes a difference for us.
Oh, and pass this along to anyone you know. Let's get everyone learning English side by side.
All right then. So, what's on the agenda for us today?
Today's focus is all about visiting the doctor's office.
Ah, the doctor. Yeah, pretty crucial stuff, though not always the most enjoyable experience, right?
Not particularly fun, no, but it's something we all have to deal with from time to time, especially when we're feeling under the weather.
Under the weather, like when your head's pounding, for instance?
Exactly, when your head's throbbing or your stomach's bothering you.
Ouch, stomach pain. That's rough.
Really uncomfortable. So, Jimmy, let's imagine I'm not feeling so great right now.
Oh no, what seems to be wrong?
My head's killing me, and I'm running really warm.
Warm? Sounds like you might be running a fever.
A fever? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So, what should I do?
You'll need to get in touch with the doctor. Start by calling the doctor's office.
I give them a call on the telephone.
Yep, exactly. Ring, ring, ring.
Got it. So, I'm on the phone. What exactly should I say?
Try something like, "Hi there, I'd like to schedule an appointment with the doctor."
Hi there. I'd like to schedule an appointment with the doctor. Simple enough.
Very straightforward. And whoever picks up, that's the receptionist, they'll walk you through everything.
The receptionist, right.
Exactly. They're super friendly and helpful. First thing they'll probably ask is your name.
And I'll respond with my name.
Perfect. After that, they'll want to know what's going on.
So I tell them my head's pounding and I'm feeling feverish.
Spot on. Share how you're actually feeling. That part's really important.
Okay, so they get my name and what's wrong. What comes next?
They'll work out a time that fits. Something like, would 2 o'clock work for you?
2 o'clock. Sure, I could say that works perfectly.
Excellent. Or if that doesn't fit your schedule, just say, actually, I'm tied up then. Could we do 3 o'clock instead?
Oh, great. So I can suggest a different slot if needed.
Absolutely. It's a two-way conversation. They're there to accommodate you.
Love that. So now I've got a scheduled time, an appointment.
An appointment, yes, that's exactly the right term. You've booked an appointment with the doctor.
My appointment's set for 2 o'clock. Time to head over to the doctor's office.
Right, you show up there, walk through the door, and you'll see the receptionist at the desk. Could be the same person you talked to on the phone, or possibly someone else.
Okay, so I approach the front desk. What do I say?
Just introduce yourself. Hello, I've got a 2 o'clock appointment. My name's Bella.
That's really clear and direct. I appreciate that. Hello, I've got a 2 o'clock appointment. My name is Bella.
Exactly right. Then the receptionist will probably say something like, "Perfect, go ahead and have a seat. The doctor will be ready for you shortly."
Have a seat, so I'm waiting now.
Yep, you'll be in the waiting area. Usually there are chairs, sometimes magazines lying around.
Oh, magazines are nice. I can flip through and look at the photos.
Sure, helps pass the time.
And then someone calls out my name. A nurse.
That's right, a nurse. Nurses work alongside the doctor. They'll escort you to one of the examination rooms.
All right, and then I wait for the doctor inside that smaller room.
Correct, though the nurse might run through a few questions with you first.
More questions? My goodness.
Nothing complicated, just simple stuff like how you're feeling overall.
Okay. I'd say something like, not doing too well. My head really hurts.
Perfect response. The nurse will probably also take your temperature.
With that little device they use in your ear or mouth?
Exactly, a thermometer. It measures whether you're running hot.
A thermometer. Right, that makes sense.
Once the nurse is finished, the doctor will come in.
The doctor arrives. Hello, doctor.
Yeah, and the doctor will greet you. Hello, Bella. What brings you in today?
And I explain again, my head's really hurting and I'm running a fever.
Right. You give the doctor the full picture. Maybe mention if your throat's bothering you too, or your ears.
My throat? Oh, like when swallowing feels painful?
Exactly. That's called a sore throat. You'd say, I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat, and also I have a headache.
A headache? Yes, that's what we call it when your head hurts.
Headache, nice and simple. I have a headache.
Well done. So you tell the doctor, I've got a headache, a sore throat, and I'm running a fever.
Wow, sounds like I'm really sick.
In our scenario here, yeah, pretty unwell. The doctor will listen carefully, nodding thoughtfully.
The doctor looks pretty serious about it.
They're focused, trying to figure out how to help. They might say, all right, let me take a look.
Let me take a look. What happens then?
The doctor will examine your throat using a small light. They'll ask you to open wide and say, ah.
Like that?
Perfect, exactly like that. Great job.
Thanks, Jimmy. What's the next step?
The doctor might also check your heartbeat using a stethoscope.
A stethoscope. That's quite a big word.
It is. That's the instrument doctors wear draped around their neck.
Oh, yeah. I know what you mean. They place it against your chest.
Exactly. And they'll instruct you take a deep breath in and now breathe out.
Breathe in and out. Got it.
Excellent. You're being a model patient.
Well, I'm doing my best. So, after the doctor examines and listens, then what?
Then the doctor figures out what's wrong and tells you what needs to happen next.
Ah, the solution. What would the doctor say?
The doctor might diagnose you with something like you've caught a cold.
Oh, cold. Oh, yes. That's when you're sneezing all the time. Achoo.
Exactly. Achoo is the sound. So you've got a cold and the doctor will give you some guidance.
What sort of guidance?
Basic advice like you need plenty of rest.
Rest. What exactly does that mean?
Rest means getting lots of sleep and avoiding running around or playing. Just stay calm and take it easy.
So basically, sleep as much as possible. I can definitely handle that.
Same here. The doctor will probably recommend make sure you're drinking plenty of fluids.
Water's excellent. I love water. So rest and hydration. Anything else?
Sometimes the doctor will prescribe medicine for you.
Medicine, like pills or liquid form.
Could be either one. The doctor writes it down on a special paper called a prescription.
A prescription. Okay, so that's the paper for getting medicine.
Precisely. You bring that prescription over to the pharmacy.
The pharmacy, that's the place where they sell medications, right?
Exactly right. The pharmacy is where you get your medications. You hand over the prescription to the pharmacist there.
And then they provide me with the medicine.
Correct. Plus, they'll explain how to take it properly, like take one pill every morning.
One pill each morning. I'll need to remember that carefully.
Absolutely. It's really crucial to follow both the doctor's and the pharmacist's instructions.
So I head home with my medication, drink lots of water, and get plenty of rest.
Exactly. And within several days, you'll start feeling much better.
Yay! No more being sick. My head feels fine, my throat's all better.
That's the wonderful part, being healthy again. There's nothing quite like feeling well and energized.
Totally agree. Having a healthy body is incredibly important.
It really is. You know, Bella, sometimes we don't feel right, but the issue isn't actually physical.
What do you mean by that, Jimmy?
I mean, sometimes the pain isn't in our head or our stomach, it's in our heart, our emotions.
Ah, I see what you're saying. Like when we're feeling down or sad.
Precisely. When we're experiencing sadness or emotional pain, a regular doctor can't always address that.
Very true. Medicine from the pharmacy won't heal a hurting heart.
But here's the thing. There's someone who can help in those moments. We can turn to God.
Talk to God. You mean through prayer?
Yes, exactly. Prayer is just having a conversation with Him. It's straightforward. You can share absolutely anything with God.
Everything? Like just saying, God, I'm feeling really sad right now.
Exactly like that. He's listening. He's always available to us, no matter what.
That's such a comforting idea, knowing He's there listening.
It truly is. And He knows us completely. He understands our hearts, our thoughts, our feelings, everything.
So He gets why we're feeling sad.
Absolutely. He understands every part of us. Only He can truly heal the sadness deep in our hearts.
That's really comforting, Jimmy.
It is. And Jesus is the only one who can bring genuine, complete joy to our hearts.
Complete joy, not just temporary happiness for a day, but something deep and lasting.
Exactly right. A joy that's full and real. So when your heart is heavy, talk to God. Pray. It's the ultimate medicine for the soul.
That's beautiful advice, Jimmy. Thanks for sharing that perspective. It's about caring for our complete selves, isn't it?
Precisely. Both body and spirit together.
Well, this has been such a meaningful discussion, helpful on so many levels.
Couldn't agree more, Bella. And a huge thanks to everyone who tuned in and joined us today.
Yes, thank you all so much. We really hope today's episode gave you something valuable.
We'd absolutely love to hear from you. Drop a comment down below. What's one new word or phrase you picked up today?
Great question. Maybe appointment or headache or prescription? Let us know.
And don't forget to subscribe to Talk Walk English.
And please pass this episode along to your friends and family. Sharing is caring after all.
It definitely is. Thanks once again for being here with us, everyone. We'll catch you in the next episode.
Take care for now. Stay healthy and stay happy.